Our CAT is forming a cup and handle or not. Where is the target if they break through the candle ceiling? So today I'm going to give you the insight from the chart and to tell you what is the real resistance for this stock. Today this stock up by 8% already, 13.6 right now. So what is going on? Today is 22nd of April 2026. What is the insight? So you see here we have a double bottom first. This is monthly chart. So this is a super big scale, the double bottom, and they forming a cup here. And this is look like a handle here, okay? But something we need to bear in mind, have we already break through the handle? The answer is no. Okay, the answer is no. So you can see basically if we go back to my indicator, how to see do we have a buy point? Can we buy here actually? This is the most valuable point because when you buy here, basically you're buying super cheap. You're buying with my indicator, you're buying on this candle on 1st of April, this candle. This price, let's say you buy at the highest, which is 1.65. You hold it until, okay, the yellow disappear. They drop below the yellow, not this candle. They did not drop below the lowest price yet. This candle they did. And this is the price to withdraw your own cost. Okay, so let's say you put money here. You put 1.65. And here is the lowest price. Sorry, here. Let's say the lowest price is 5.92. Let's say you execute here. Okay, so you withdraw your capital out. Okay, when they change the signal to downward signal, then this go downward, then you sell everything. Okay, you still make crazy profit here. Okay, so let me check the profits for you here. Let's say you buy at the top, you sell at the bottom, which is this candle bottom here. You're making 2.58 times of your capital. So this is pretty cool method to do, and this is only less than 1 minute to execute. So it's very easy. So and then here there's no action because we don't have long, we don't have super long line here to see the support. And you can see they go above that again, they go up, and this candle, basically this the red line changed the direction again. Then you buy back, then you hold it until now. You're still holding it, sorry, you're still holding it. Okay, the up signal, you don't execute with one single signal. This is one additional signal, bonus signal. That's it. So the one really execute is here because the red changing the direction. We can also see from our fund, our money actually they going in before. Okay, they going in before. And here is above zero. And here they go above the red and the red change the direction. Is it clear? Here also on the same month, basically on the same month candle, the red go above this purple line as well, and then they go upward. Is it clear? So this is a very easy way to execute. From right now, do we have investment opportunity for RCAT for monthly chart? When I say investment, it means you're holding for monthly chart. It means usually this is not short term, and this is always more than double, always. For if they have a YM chip entry, but here we don't have a YM chip entry, so we don't know. But when they confirm we have a cup and handle pattern, this is not yet confirmed. When they break through that, we basically can calculate what is the target price. Okay, so back to the point. The resistance. The resistance we can go to daily chart to see because you want to execute with daily chart as well. So the last yellow candle is the real resistance rather than the one on the chart. The one on the monthly chart, you can see the wick is too long. Every single candle have a long wick. So it's quite difficult to tell the real resistance. If you use this chart to tell, this can be resistant, this can be resistant, this can be resistant, this can be resistant. You don't know which one. So if I use, or you can use this candle, the tallest price, to be resistant also, which is 14.91. But the daily chart one is very accurate. So now we look at daily chart. The last yellow candle, which is 17.57. This tallest price the highest price is the resistance. 17.57 is the resistance. Right now we are here. Okay, we have an up signal. This go above this line. This go above zero. So we can add position, but not all in. Why? Because the blue is still going downward. The blue is still going downward. It means this is still a downward trend. The blue is pushing it down, okay, including today, because right now it's pushing it down, okay? So this candle, if you are very, you don't want to cut loss, you don't want to have any loss, you don't want to take risk, you're a more stable trader, wait for the blue line to go above the blue line, minimum, okay? So this is daily chart. Back to the point. Now we know the resistance. Okay, so now we go back to the target price, shall we? Now, not yet confirmed we have a cup and handle yet, but if they really go above, the target price would be the ceiling of this minus the bottom here. So you know the dip and use the dip to put on top of the ceiling, okay? And then you will get the target price. So it's roughly around 27 to 30, okay? This is will go flip double if they go above that, and which is quite good return because right now it's 13.47. I'm not saying to buy right now because daily chart we only have the red signal, right? We don't have the blue signal. So you can add your position. This is only for education, by the way. We don't recommend any trade. Don't go all in, okay? Because we are not yet above the blue. Okay, so and if you use the red to buy, if you're a short-term trader, please you have to buy my indicator. Otherwise, don't use this strategy because this moving too fast. I'm not fast enough to upload a video every single day like this, like for all the stock with the red line. So you better to get my indicator. Anyway, I have a big promotion. We have a 17 people. They click like and they comment. So I will give them 50% off for every single item in my price list. So 15%, 50% off, which is half price. And if you are already my current customer for the indicator, you get 60% cash rebate by PayPal. Okay, so this is the promotion. And if you miss it, sorry you miss it. For the one who already comment on my channel, the last few video, we have 8 comments. I will send you my email link, so you will email me for the detail because I don't want you to disclose your personal information here. So we have 8 people with the comment. For sure you will get the promotion, and we will have 17 quotas for the half price special promotion. And for the one who did not comment, did not click like, I'm sorry, try to grab the 17 quota. Okay, so this is 50% off. Okay, back to the chart, weekly chart. Do we have any swing trade opportunity? Now look at here. What does it mean? The blue going upward, the purple go upward. It means the whole market cycle for our CAT is still upward trend. Okay, for weekly chart. So what does it mean? It means when it is low, we have opportunity to buy. The best is when the red change the direction, like this one. Okay, when they change the direction, you buy. When they change the direction, you buy. As long as this two line is going upward, then you buy at the safe point, at the start point of the bull market. Like this one, like this one, like this one. This is a very easy strategy anyway. So right now we are not really on top of the blue, of the red, but we're on top of the blue and the purple. Is it possible they come as a support and they create like, let's say like this? It is possible. It is possible. This is a good support, but if you don't mind to wait, you can use this as a support to do the trade. Okay, if you want to buy at the beginning of the bull market, wait for the red line. Minimum go above the red line. We don't need to eat the whole fish body. We eat, we don't eat the fish head, fish tail. We eat the fish body, which is the yummy part, right? So you buy, then you enjoy the race like this. You don't need to wait for 2 more candle. Okay, like this one, you basically you're doing sideways here, right? So this is quite, let's say here, it's the same thing. Here is your sideways, sideways until here. And here, you add your position here, these two candle, then they boom, they go up. That is so cool. Okay, that is so cool. Now we still need to wait, but let's say you don't have my indicator, you use the cup and handle pattern to trade, which is fine. Remember, the resistance is around 18, okay? So you can use this strategy. And if they really, really drop, let's say you don't have any of my indicator, they really, really drop, use this as a support, which is quite far away, around 7.11, which is quite far away. You can also use this because like this is a small circle like this. You can also use this one. This is closer, around 11 this price as a um, buy in the dip. Okay, so this two strategy, but me, I don't use traditional method to buy. I buy in the beginning of the bull market. Then don't waste time. Okay, so this is the update for RCAT. If you want me to cover any stock, or one more homework, if you find a cup and handle pattern, please message me in the comment, and I would like to have a look, and then I will check the target price, and let's get rich together, man. So I hope you guys, the purpose of I making this video of my channel basically is help people. First, I share my experience, share my knowledge for free. Second, I want you guys don't get trapped in the stock market. Don't do gamble. This is not gambling. This is all the calculation. Third, I want you guys to get rich also. So, click like right now, subscribe, and share with your friend. Let's get rich together. Okay, see you next video. Bye.